Her real name is Cheese Storer. Nickname is Cheese. Present age 25 years old in 2024. She was born August 16, 1998. Profession actress. She is Turkish by nationality. Birthplace Istanbul, Turkey. Zodiac sign Cancer. Body measurement 32, 25, 32 inches. Body type slim. Height 5 feet 6 inches. Weight 60 kg. Hair color black. Eye color is dark brown. Hobby singing, dancing. Her real name is Zehra. Nickname is Zehra. She was born 7 July 1999. Present age is 24 years old in 2023. Birthplace is Kartal, Istanbul, Turkey. She is Turkish by nationality. Zodiac sign is Cancer. Year active 2011 to present. Profession is volleyball player. Body measurement 36, 30 and 37. Body type is athletic. Height is 6 feet 6 inches. Weight is 88 kg. Hair color light brown. Eye color is brown. Ethnicity Turk. Hobbies singing, traveling, photography. Marital status unmarried. Net worth $2 million approx. Her real name is Yagmur Sabhazova. Nickname is Yagmur. She was born 13 February 1987. Present age is 36 years old in 2023. Birthplace is Baku, Azerbaijan. She is nationality Azerbaijan. Religion Islam. Zodiac sign Aquarius. Height, weight and physical states. Body measurements 32, 25 and 32 inches. Body type slim. Height is 5 feet 6 inches. Weight is 55 kg. Hair color brown. Eye color is black. Hobbies traveling, singing. Marital status unmarried. Net worth USD $1 million approx. Hello guys, most welcome in my YouTube channel Wow Lifestyle. Today in this video you are going to watch the lifestyle and biography of Cemre baysel. So let's start the video. Her real name is Cemre baysel. Nickname Cemre. Present age 24 years old in 2024. She was born 5 February 1999. Profession actress. Birthplace is Turkey. She is Turkish by nationality. Religion Islam. Zodiac sign is Aquarius. Body measurements 32, 25 and 32 inches. Body type slim. Height 5 feet 6 inches. And weight is 55 kg. Hair color is brown. Eye color is blue. Hobbies is traveling, internet surfing. Ethnicity white. Marital status she is dating. And net worth is USD $1 million. And so guys, that was our today's video. Hope you like. If you do, then the like button, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. In next video, goodbye, take care.